It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 8th of November. I'm Michael Groff. Decreasing clouds, drier air, and a warming trend will start today, and that continues through the weekend and into early next week. Temperatures going well above average, and in fact, some spots could see highs reaching close to record levels by the end of the weekend. So let's talk about it. Out there yesterday, 81 degrees was the high in the valley. There was no rain, although we did have some light showers in parts of the valley last evening. And outside right now, here at the ridiculous hour of 4:35 a.m., we've got partly cloudy skies and 70 degrees. Very warm to start the day at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 48, humidity 46%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, primarily in the 60s across much of south central Arizona. Some near 70-degree readings in the warm spots. Water vapor satellite view shows the upper low responsible for all the clouds and some of the showers we had around the state the last couple of days now over top of us, and that will be moving to the east, and drier air will be circulating in. Here's the watch warning map. Some winter weather advisories out here, parts of the Pacific Northwest, as well as the Great Lakes states. Winter storm warnings for the northern Great Lakes, upper Michigan, and northern lower Michigan. On the convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather expected anywhere across the contiguous United States. And rainfall around the southwest for the next 7 days. Well, forget it for us here in the valley or anywhere across Arizona. None expected, at least according to the WPC. This is valid through next Tuesday night. So let's get into the details of our weather. We'll dissect things a bit as we check the models. Here we go to the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. We start with the upper look at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet up. That area of low pressure moves off to the east into the southern plains today. High pressure building back in, and down at the surface, it's a sunny day. We'll have a few clouds this morning, but then it will become sunny by about mid-morning. Highs this afternoon in the low 80s. Tonight, mostly clear, drier air comes in, lows mid-50s to mid-60s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, a bit warmer, highs low to mid-80s. Friday morning, we'll start the day out in the low 50s in the cool spots, low 60s for us in the mid-city. Highs generally mid-80s, mid to upper 80s on Saturday. A lot of outdoor activities going on, the Veterans Day Parade and all the festivities surrounding that. So the weather should be pretty nice, sunny skies. And again, mid to upper 80s for the afternoon highs. Same thing on Sunday. Monday, trough begins to move on to the west coast, and that'll help to flatten out the ridge a bit. Temperatures should back off a couple of degrees. We'll see highs in the mid-80s, low to mid-80s on Tuesday. And then here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 15th of November, a zonal flow, troughing well north of Arizona. Highs, low 80s. On Thursday, this is the 16th of November, again, highs in the low 80s with a generally dry westerly flow. Troughing getting a little bit closer to the state, but still staying well to our north. And then this is the end of the 10-day forecast period, Friday, the 17th of November. And that, again, looks like a zonal flow and dry conditions around here. High temperatures right around the low 80s. Checking the temperatures coming off of the GFS ensemble through the period. And we're going to get warm this weekend, no doubt about that. Highs going up into the mid-80s. And I wouldn't even be surprised if one of these days, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we snuck into the upper 80s. But then conditions will gradually start to moderate, as they typically do here in mid to late November. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video comes back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there and have a great Wednesday.